Hello traders, this is Alla Peters-Plocher, founder of FibInstitute.com and developer of Proprietary Alpha Fibonacci System. In this video, I would like to show you where you can find extremely important information and of course how you can always connect and call me with any questions. In the upper right corner of the website, you will see that when you join us today, you trade precise institutional Alpha Fibonacci lifetime system for day and position trading with precise entry, stop and targets across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Alpha Fibonacci also available as a software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. You will see that we are offering savings up to $1,000 with every package, including video library modules, group or private mentoring course. You also see that system traded since 2011 in US and globally by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. The reason I live and breathe what I do is because I'm obsessed with humanity and Fibonacci. So when I teach Theo to trade all instruments, he shares in his podcast from Australia and comes to classes in the middle of the night, Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course, Carlton bringing friends non-stop, Ken and I met in London multiple times, and you can see the most beautiful cards his daughter gives to me. Richard retired trading the system, David trading it all. So testimonials from my students. With students' performance, when you click here, is the most important part of the website. When students share this, you developed holy grail of trading, Alpha Fibonacci system based on pure price. And when every single one of these traders comes to me after struggling for many years, this is what happens when trader makes an effort. That's it. Pure price for entry and precise Alpha Fibonacci for exits. But the most important part to recognize, traders as beginners as Pablo, who never pushed a button on NinjaTrader 8 or any trading platform, stressed out attorney, closed his law practice and became a full-time trader. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do, because when you see stories of traders like this from all over the world, like Richard, who retired trading options with system, like Georgie, who is trading on platform I never heard of trading stocks, it shows you time and time again, the sky's the limit if you make an effort with the Alpha Fibonacci system. So this is very important part that you can view and listen to our traders podcast in US and globally as waiting lists of students with podcasts sharing their incredible journeys and stories. Pablo, beginners, Theo, my favorite one ever. When father bringing his son to the course, father is a hedge fund manager, but son Dominic trades futures. Show you time and time again. The sky's the limit. All you have to do, make an effort and identify the instrument that's appropriate for you. And when you click on our students' reviews, here are a few of my favorites. Please click on the review to see the text, because I live and breathe what I do. Humanity is my passion and Fibonacci is my obsession. And I hold degrees that allow me to teach with such passion and compassion. This is essential to recognize. When you come to Fibonacci Trading Institute, Harvard of trading education, priceless, hands down. Nothing ever comes close in this crazy trading world. Thousands and thousands of emails later. All you have to do is understand. If these traders have done it, so can you. You can trade with greatest precision with precise entries, stop and targets, with institutional levels. This is the best place to be. As CEO says, I'm not paid to say this. So every single one of these traders showing to you, it is not your fault if you tried for many, many years before. I hear this all the time. As Tom from New Zealand says, I feel like I wasted 17 years going down completely wrong path. Not anymore. It's truly amazing. So if you decide to join us under About Us, you will find even much more information about proprietary system and what separates Alpha Fibonacci system from all the other systems. And if you click on our ebook for more details, you will find so much more details where I dive much deeper into how Alpha Fibonacci Precision can improve your trading. So again, under About Us, you will find much more information briefly about myself, and you can also see how to trade Fibonacci retracements. And if you're focusing on day trading or forex, of course, those options are appropriate for you as well. On our homepage, you will find a very important information if you scroll further down about options available to you. Private mentoring, the most desirable options with savings up to $8,000. So please make a personal decision what option is available appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. I work with you one-on-one, and it includes group classes, video library, modules, trading room, which is included in all the other options. So if you are on Ninja Trader 8, option 2 group course is the most popular option. Savings around $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Option 2 most popular, option 4 most desirable. Option 2 and 4 all platforms and software for Ninja Trader 8. So here's one of the very important parts. If you like to see the latest video on my YouTube channel, simply click on YouTube and you can witness the videos that's been uploaded to YouTube recently. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click in the left corner, contact us, or simply pick up the phone and call or send me your telephone number. I live and breathe what I do. I continue building and developing my own systems, and every single person I teach trades different instrument, different time frame, different platform. Any questions? +1 925 257 4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I look forward to incredible journey together.